Hello friend, today I'll make white lady cocktail. How to make white lady cocktail? I'll show all recipe. This is the rose infused gin, some double cream, some milk and grenadine syrup. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share. I take first ice, lots of ice. This is shaking cocktail. I put 60 ml gin, some double cream, some milk, and this is grenadine syrup. I put some more grenadine. Nicely shaken. Very good. I like it. That is gin.
Yes,
Yes.
rose infused.
I can't feel gin.
Very light.
Very light, yeah. To pare ještě do kolečko. Wow, so good.
Je to fakt dobrý, kurva. A to jsem možná takový pěkný prst, vole, teda.
Nice. Can I have one? For gin?
Je to bob.
That's good.
आज बना रहे थे
मैं सुबह भी नाम
Limonády.